So today we're joined by Dr. Chang Sung-ho, Chief Surgeon at the Forhair Hair Treatment Clinic in Daegu City. Welcome, Dr. Chang, to the show.
Hello, thanks for having me.
It's lovely to have you. So our first question for you today, doctor, is are you actually seeing an increase in young people experiencing hair loss at your clinic?
Yes, we've observed an increase in young people experiencing hair loss at our clinic recently. It's becoming more common among our patients. Studies indicate that around 20% of men start experiencing hair loss by the age of 20, with the numbers rising significantly as they age. Women also report higher rates of hair thinning and loss, particularly in their late 20s and 30s. This trend can be attributed to lifestyle changes, increased stress, and environmental factors. The social and psychological impact on young people is significant, often leading to lower self-esteem and confidence issues.
Okay, Dr. Zhang, maybe I should visit your clinic one day. Okay, so moving on to the next question. What do you think is actually causing this rise in young patients with hair loss? Is this something we're noticing in other parts of the world as well?
Hair loss in young people can be caused by a variety of factors. The primary cause is genetic predisposition, known as androgenetic alopecia. Hormonal changes, particularly those related to thyroid function, can also play a significant role. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as poor diet, high stress levels, and lack of sleep can contribute to hair thinning. Environmental factors like pollution and overuse of hair styling products also damage hair health. Finally, medical conditions such as alopecia areata and scalp infections can lead to hair loss. And similar trends are being observed worldwide, indicating that global phenomena like urbanization and shifts in dietary preferences may be contributing factors. Moreover, increased awareness and improved access to healthcare services may also be leading to more reported hair loss cases.
So, Doctor, thank you. And all the viewers, especially those who are suffering from hair loss, including myself, have the same question. What preventative measures do you recommend for hair loss, and what treatments are available for those who are already affected?
Preventing hair loss involves a holistic approach to health and wellness. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly biotin, zinc, and iron, is crucial for hair health. Managing stress through practices like meditation, yoga, and regular exercise can significantly reduce the risk of hair loss. Avoiding excessive use of harsh hair treatments and minimizing heat styling can also protect hair. Additionally, keeping the scalp clean and healthy is essential. Regular checkups to monitor hormonal levels and overall health can help detect potential issues early. For those already affected by hair loss, several effective treatments available for addressing hair loss. Topical treatments like minoxidil have been proven to stimulate hair growth and slow down hair loss. Oral medications such as finasteride are commonly prescribed for men and work by inhibiting the hormone responsible for hair loss. Low-level laser therapy is another option that can improve hair density. For those seeking permanent solutions, hair transplant surgery is highly effective. Moreover, alternative treatments like PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy, are gaining popularity for their regenerative properties. Consulting with a dermatologist or a trichologist is essential to determine the most suitable treatment plan for your specific condition.
All right, that was Dr. Chang Sung-ho, Chief Surgeon at the Forhair Clinic in Daegu. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.